Top of the morning, mummies. How are we doing this lovely morning? Bright and early and needing to get ready for work, and it is just not happening as quick as possible. But the kids are fed, breakfasts are out, lunchboxes are packed, drop-off has gone well. Now it is on our way to work, and you have seen the before picture. That was a relatively good one. I had a good 6 hours sleep. So this tutorial goes out to all the mummies out there that needs to do a quick fix right before work and there is no time for makeup. There's always time for makeup. Self-love, wusa, zen as it goes. Okay, but not everyone has the time or the skill. So check us in today and let's see what we have. We're going to start with zhuzhing up the hair. We saw the before picture. It's very simple. We just tie everything up. Cows lick all the flyaways, and these bobby pins, mama, they are amazing, wickedly cheap and actually totally worth it. So we just put it in a ponytail, use 2 points, spin it over, pin it, voila, hair done, ready. Now on to the next step. Let's start with our face. Hopefully our face are washed, creamed and ready to be prepped. We're going to start off with a Prim and Prime, and we're just going to rub it all over. It's generally a good 8-hour work day for us, and so there ain't no time for touch-ups, and with the COVID and all the masks, the makeup kind of needs something to stick to. So a Prim and Prime is just to prep the face beautifully.